The Adverse Company was founded in 1996 by the team of skilled professionals and scientists of different areas, who then started an active process of engineering and developing innovative, unique autonomous heaters and starting preheaters intended for all kinds of vehicles. Our main objective was to introduce into the market a new Russian product, which would correspond to world quality and reliability standards, have rich built-in functionality, consumer utility, and would be affordable to a wide range of users. Our products have been adapted for Russian fuel and harsh climatic conditions, as low as 45 degrees centigrade below zero. A lot of original technical solutions we have developed are protected by patents. First starting preheaters designed for passenger cars were put into production in Russia in 2001. Marketing research has shown that our products are in high demand in the automobile market. The company continues to develop new products for passenger cars and commercial vehicles. Our products are widely tested under the conditions of the far north, at ambient temperatures of as low as 50 degrees centigrade below zero. The new model of starting preheaters, Teplostar 14TC, designed for trucks and of 15 kilowatts thermal capacity, was put into production in 2003. The largest automobile corporation of Russian Federation, KAMAZ Group of companies, then began mass production of this heater. Later on, such car factories as MAZ, Uralaz, and other assembly plants were also supplied with these heaters. In 2006, the model range of air preheaters under the trademark Plan R was put into production, which later on attained great popularity in Russia and abroad. In 2007, the company was certified according to the international ISO 9001-2000 standard. It was recognized as the best supplier of KAMAZ. In 2009, the company was certified according to the international ISO TU 16949-2002 standard. In 2010, we began to produce a new model of starting preheaters for passenger cars under the trademark Binar. In 2011, a new production site in Samara district was opened, and it had been equipped with the most modern facilities. In 2014, our company was given jurisdiction of shipping its equipment to GAZ Group of companies. In spring 2016, Adverse brings to market an innovation, a new generation of starting liquid phase preheater, Binar 5S, designed for passenger cars. Its space-saving design makes it possible to install it right under the hood of a car. Binar 5S meets the highest requirements of safety, eco-friendliness, and has innovative functional features. During these years, we've created an extensive dealer network within the entire territory of Russian Federation and abroad. Our partners, provided with the necessary equipment, offer a full range of services connected with installation, warranty and post-warranty maintenance. All the products we produce have Russian and European conformity certificates. We highly value each customer and hope that our cooperation and partnership will help us achieve our mutual goals. Good afternoon. You have reached the office of Adverse Company.